少林武当佛山无影脚，太极八卦降龙18掌，刀枪棍棒你学不学好？看现在的闪耀，那是功夫少年的热血在燃烧。看现在的闪耀，面带微笑你是武林的骄傲。昨天华山论剑，今天青菜米饭，武动拳脚才不会歇菜。去年你学神功，今年咸淡之分，江湖小辈都要，放轻松啦。
鸡族的小孩功夫实在是高，鸡飞蛋打拳他比师傅耍得好，降龙18掌他才会第1招。昨天刚到的他，离学会还早着呢。南拳北腿流星弯月刀，少林武当佛山无影脚，太极八卦降龙18掌，刀枪棍棒你学不学好？看现在的闪耀，那是功夫少年的热血在燃烧。看现在的闪耀，输赢不要紧，开心的笑一笑。
Last time on Tales from the Salted Egg Temple, I showed those ridiculous boys that I have both beauty and brawn.
What? Did you say the hooded hoodlum came to our temple and that Radisha ran away with him?
I don't know his name, but he sure is a handsome guy.
No, Master! It's not like that at all, man! He totally stole her away after he took the jade egg!
The hooded hoodlum stole Radisha? Oh no, she's in trouble! Well, I guess I better start looking for a replacement.
Master!
Just kidding!
You crook! Put me down! Where are you taking me? I can't believe I fell for your charms! Hey! Put me down right now!
Will you please settle down? Fine. We'll take a quick rest.
Put me down!
Do not move from there. I'll go fetch us some grub.
Wait! Hand over the jade egg!
And what if I don't?
Then I will make you do it!
That's funny. Stay put and behave yourself.
Take this!
I gave you a chance. You disappoint me.
Master Gilhooly, I'm really sorry. It's all my fault that he got away.
Tick, man, like, you can't blame yourself. You did all you could, man.
Actually, you're lucky you even survived. The hooded hoodlum's a master assassin and bounty hunter. Master, you know who he is? I don't know his true identity, but he's a part of an infamous group of assassins.
Huh?
You mean the Shadow Elite? That's right. The Shadow Elite. They are an independent organization of assassins for hire. They're made up of only the highest level scumbags, and they'll do anything for money. Even if that means betraying previous clients. With a group like the Shadow Elite, failure is not an option. My guess? It's Krigo. He must have hired an assassin. For Radisha's sake, we must go after him. Wattles, free range?
Master!
Now, the time, it has come. Head to Black Raven Mountain. Get the egg, save Radisha.
All right!
What about me?
You need to stay and recover.
But Master!
Enough! Go and rest. Trust in them. They will be back soon enough.
Fresh veggies here!
I like carrots.
Veggies
is for everyone! Huh? Move your dirty foot, disgusting vagabond!
Radisha, love, be careful. Mommy, what's wrong with him? Are you hungry? Here, have some sweeties. Bye-bye.
Huh? No way. It's her. I know it. It's just like the first time we met.
You're just a scoundrel! I hate you!
Huh?
Free range! We gotta move faster! We're probably pretty close!
Yeah, totally!
Huh? The egg! Thank goodness! Huh? This cloak! Huh? What's this? He can't buy my affection!
You're up early. Going somewhere?
Leave me alone!
Huh? Huh. Still mad, huh? I'll fix that. Radisha, wait up for me. You look so elegant when you run. After I deliver the egg, let's travel the world.
You're crazy! What do you want?
Radisha, I want you. From the moment I saw you, I knew we would always be together. Marry me. Marry me. Marry me. Come on, marry me. Marry me.
Dream on! I'm gonna marry you! You were the last man!
Radisha!
That guy's a nutbag! I've got to get this egg back to the temple! Before it's too late! Huh?
How nice of you to deliver the egg to us!
This isn't good! I'm totally outnumbered!
We've got you now! Okay now, give it up!
Huh? Did you forget? You're working for us!
If you ever lay a hand on her again, I'll break every bone in your body. Do you understand?
Huh?
Come, now.
Traitor? Huh?
Where do you think you're going? See this? This will be the end of you both!
Huh?
No one betrays the Black Raven clan! Our
fearless leader!
Krigo.
Master, he broke the contract. He needs to be taught a lesson.
Watch who you bark orders at.
Sorry!
Sorry.
Silver, This is highly unlike you. I'm backing out. Now, let us both go. I am afraid I can't do that.
Then you've left me no choice.
Silver, are you alright? Master! French!
Grigo!
Wattles, you die too! No! Now, let's settle this once and for all! No!
Look who's awake!
Master, what happened?
Well, you've been out for 2 days. Radisha, you had us worried.
Huh? What about the jade egg?
Don't worry. I got it back.
Oh.
And it was all thanks to Silver. Just when all seemed lost, Silver sacrificed himself, and we were able to make our escape. Deep down, he was a good guy. Radisha, he would have wanted you to have this.
Silver.
Next time on Salt and Egg Temple, guess who comes back? I'm glad you're all here. Ah, Chicken. And his checks.
It's arcane!
I hope you didn't forget about our contract.
It's a kung fu contest for the jade egg. Who signed it? Master can't talk. What did you do?
If he can't talk, he can't compete.
But
that means we have to take his place.